Open Canva. Click on Custom Size. Take a 2160 by 1080 pixels canvas. Click on Files, then Settings, then Rulers and Guides. Now, take a vertical ruler and place it on the 1080 pixels position. Go to Elements and search Watch. Go to the Photos section. Add a watch image. Duplicate the image. Click on Edit Image, then Duotone. Click on Custom. Change highlights also to black. Again, go to Edit, then Shadows. Select Glow. Change size to 100. Blur amount to 100. Change its color to match with the watch. Now, expand this image and place it on the left side of the canvas. Go to Position, then Layers. Bring the watch to the front. Adjust their position. Now, change the background color to black. Go to Elements and search Golden Gradient. Go to Graphics. Add a gradient. Place it on the left side of the watch. Go to Position. Place it between these two images. Adjust gradient color. Reduce its transparency. Go to Text and add a heading. Type Men's Watch vertically. Go to Font and search Rhodeca Slab. Choose Regular. Make it uppercase. Place it on the left side of the watch. Increase font size. Adjust its position. Duplicate and add text. Change font size to 50 pixels. Duplicate and add next text. Go to Font and search TT Blue Screen. Choose Bold. Scale its size. Change font style to italic and reduce spacing. Now, place these texts on the divide part. Go to Position and send it to back. Add a heading. Now, type your watch name. Go to Font and choose TT Blue Screen Bold Font. Change font size to 300 pixels. Click on Effects, apply Echo Effect, set Offset to 100 and Direction to 110. Change its color to golden. Make it uppercase. Go to Elements, search Buy Now. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Change its color to golden. Adjust text letter spacing. Make it italic. Now, add brand logo. Place it on the top right corner. After this, download this image. Go to Home. Click Custom Size. Now, take width 1080 pixels. Choose Video Format. Go to Upload and upload your downloaded image. Add it to Canvas. Now, adjust image size and place its half on canvas. Next, duplicate the page. Hold Shift and drag half part to canvas. Duplicate the page again. Similarly, drag first part of the image. Now, hover over between pages and click on Transitions. Choose Match and Move Transition. Set duration to maximum. Click on Apply between all pages. Now, adjust time duration of pages. Our motion ads poster is ready. Let's see the result. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.